There are three main consequences to refusing to provide a breath test to police upon your arrest. The first one is your consequences at the DMV. The DC City Council has established that if you refuse to give a breath test to the police, then the DMV can suspend your ability to drive inside the district for a mandatory 1-year period of time, and that doesn't depend on whether you're found guilty or not guilty in your criminal case. The second main consequence for refusing to provide a breath test is that the Attorney General's office will not provide you with any favorable resolutions in your criminal case. The third main consequence for refusing to provide a breath sample to the police is the evidence that can be submitted at your trial. At your trial, the judge or jury is permitted to consider whether or not your refusal to provide a breath test is evidence that you knew that you were impaired when you were arrested. This is what's called your consciousness of guilt. The new DC DUI law passed by the City Council in August of 2012 says that you are presumed to be guilty of driving under the influence if you refuse to provide a breath sample and you have a prior conviction for DUI either in DC or some other jurisdiction. DC criminal defense lawyers are challenging this law as unconstitutional right now.